If you want to permanently delete your OneDrive account, follow these steps carefully. This process will remove all your files and data associated with OneDrive. Step 1. Back up your data. Before you delete your account, ensure you back up any important files stored in OneDrive. Download them to your computer or another storage service to avoid losing them. Step 2. Sign into your Microsoft accounts. Go to the OneDrive website and sign in using the Microsoft account linked to your OneDrive. Make sure you have the correct credentials. Step 3. Access account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 4. Navigate to the Delete Account option. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Manage Storage or Manage Account. Find a link that allows you to delete your account. This may be under a section related to security or privacy. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your OneDrive account. You may need to enter your password again and acknowledge that this action is reversible. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. After completing these steps, your OneDrive account will be permanently deleted. Make sure you understand that this action cannot be undone and all your files will be lost.